And the bonds, once again, taking a tumble. And we have this headline from Red saying that China wants a market-oriented approach. What would that mean?
I mean, it's pushing a pretty hefty slide in the bonds. Again, the 2025's down to record lows after tumbling last night.
Yeah.
I mean, market-oriented approach, we've been talking about this for years when it comes to Beijing and policymakers. I think in particular what's really spooking investors is this uncertainty and disagreement that's being reported between Guangdong local officials. So central government has asked Guangdong local officials to find a market-oriented approach, i.e. potentially allow some kind of failure or some kind of reckoning for, you know, all the kind of masses of debt that Evergrande has raised. That's really what's kind of spooking investors.
So, I mean, I guess to make it very, very simple, if I'm doing this correctly, there's not enough money to go around, and it's such a complex web of relationships between all these units that something's got to give. Is that an accurate description of what's going on?
Yeah, and I think the Red Note points to that in that they're also saying there's a missed payment on a trust loan, and so, you know,
right.
that trust loans are kind of typical area where we don't have a lot of clarity at all on what's going on. So there is clearly a huge web of debt here, whether it's trust loans, whether it's commercial bills, whether it's account payables. The investors just don't have a window into, and all of those sort of debts are going to continue to accrue.